Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to set up and use an app called Tunnel VPN. This app is designed to provide a secure connection, multiple server options, and different protocol settings for safe browsing. Let's start with the installation. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. On the home screen, tap the search icon and type Tunnel VPN. From the list of results, look for the app with the correct name and VPN icon. Then tap on it. Next, tap the Install button. Depending on your internet speed, the download and installation may take a couple of minutes. Once the app is installed, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch Tunnel VPN. When you open the app for the first time, it may request permission to send notifications. You can allow or deny this based on your preference. Make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi is turned on so the app can update its server list. This usually happens automatically within a few seconds. Now let's explore how to use the app. The main screen has two important sections, one for selecting a server and another for choosing a protocol. To pick a server, tap on the server section. A list of available server locations will appear. Select the one that works best for you. After that, choose your protocol by tapping the Tweaks button. Here, you'll see several built-in options. Scroll through and pick one that matches your connection needs. If you want to adjust things manually, you can enable custom settings. This lets you select different protocols such as SlowDNS, V2Ray, or SSL. Some options use built-in servers, while others may require additional input. Once you've selected both a server and a protocol, return to the home screen. You'll see a large Start button. Tap it to connect. Within a few seconds, your VPN connection will be active. Tunnel VPN also has a tethering feature that allows you to share your connection with other devices. To enable this, open the side menu, tap Tethering, and switch on the toggle. And that's it. You've successfully set up and connected Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.